Hello everybody and welcome to my monthly Vietnam update. The Vietnamese stock market finally started to gain some momentum in August and the VN index increased by plus 6.1% on healthy volume. This positive performance was mainly driven by the banking sector and brokerage stocks. Unfortunately, our portfolio couldn't keep pace with the market this month and advanced by plus 1.6% according to internal estimates. Hi, my name is Andreas Vogelsanger. I'm the CEO of the AFC Vietnam Fund. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and switch on the bell so you don't miss any uploads. As we mentioned in our last report, we believe that the VN index formed the bottom at the 1,200 level in July 2022. And we are very pleased to see that the market clearly is now on an uptrend on healthy volumes. The benchmark index closed the month at 1,280.51 points, plus 6.1%, and it looks like it will continue this trend, given all the positive news, attractive valuation and sound macroeconomic numbers. In mid-August, the World Bank announced that it increased its 2022 GDP growth forecast in Vietnam to 7.5% due to an accelerated economic recovery over the last 6 months on the back of resilient manufacturing and a robust rebound in services. Only a few days later, Moody's Analytics announced that the only Asia-Pacific economy to experience a significant upward revision in 2022 is Vietnam, and they increased their 2022 GDP growth forecast to an impressive 8.5%. Moody's Analytics is positive on the country's prospect as it remains a beneficiary of investment inflow redirected from policy uncertainties in China. Compared to the difficult times key economies such as the US, EU and China are facing this year, Vietnam seems to be in a very privileged situation. The Vietnamese government successfully managed to control the recent pandemic and was able to bring back the country's economic activities to pre-COVID-19 levels. Despite the current uncertainties in the global economy, Vietnam continues to be a rare beneficiary. The ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine and the current tensions between China and the US over Taiwan helped to significantly increase Vietnam's exports to the US and EU. In a recent report by Fitch Solutions about economic openness, Vietnam ranks as the 5th most open economy in Asia out of 37 nations. Economic openness assesses the risk posed to businesses and investors looking to enter the market, assessing its overall openness to foreign direct investment and its attractiveness as an investment destination. Compared with its regional and global peers, the Vietnamese economy was assigned a score of 74.6 points out of 100, surpassing both the Asian and the world averages of 49.5 and 46 respectively. Fitch Solutions wrote that Vietnam is emerging as a key manufacturing hub in the East and Southeast Asia region, supported by government-led economic liberalization efforts and integration into global supply chains through trade agreements and membership to regional international blocs. Tourism is an important component of Vietnam's economic growth. International tourism is only recovering very slowly so far, but domestic tourism is booming. According to the government, the number of domestic tourists reached 60.8 million, which is 40% higher than pre-COVID-19 level, first half of 2019. Even though domestic tourism doesn't bring any US dollar from foreigners to the country, it nevertheless provides important support to local businesses and the economy overall. But also international tourism is on the path of recovery, and a recent report from Fitch Solutions forecasts that foreign visitors should reach around 22 million by 2026, generating revenues of around $13.2 billion, which would be 25% higher than pre-pandemic levels. As we mentioned before, the banking sector went through a correction phase and offers now a great investment opportunity. Many banks are currently trading at around book value and forward P ratios of 4 to 5 times on 2022 earnings, which certainly looks very attractive in our view. Saigon Hanoi Commercial Bank, SHB, particularly stands out given the growth potential and attractive valuation with a forward PE ratio of 3.5 times and the price book ratio of just 1 time. When we recently visited SHB in August, we were very impressed by the management and its business outlook. SHB is one of the 4 large commercial private banks in Vietnam, with more than 500 branch offices around the country. Unlike its competitors, SHB focuses mainly on wholesale clients, which contribute more than 50% of its profits. SHB offers a wide range of services such as fund management, securities trading, retail finance, and insurance products. In the first half of 2022, the bank reported an impressive 83.6% increase in net profit, but the stock price didn't reflect this great result and declined further along with the sector. Also, the banking sector has its fair share of challenges in the short term. They are certainly playing an important role in the long-term economic growth story of Vietnam and will perform accordingly. Given that a lot of these challenges seem to be priced in at current levels, we feel quite comfortable increasing our exposure to this sector. This is all from me. Thank you very much for listening, and you're going to hear from me next month. Goodbye for now.